Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check east, west, north or south in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see at the center, there's this blue colored circle there. That's your location. Well, basically, for this video, you're gonna need this and a compass option. Well, you can't find the compass option if you're facing toward north. Go ahead and rotate your map using your fingers there. Then, right below user icon, options, and the map type, there's this red and gray line appearing. Guys, that's the compass. If the red line is facing toward north, then this compass will disappear. Well, just tap on it. Then also another information, the shade you can see that changes with the direction of your phone is the phone direction that you're facing. Well, all you have to do is know that the compass facing towards up is north, the right is east, the left is west, and the downward is south. And guys, that's it. Just go ahead, scroll it, then the compass will show you if you're facing north, east, west, south. And guys, that's it. That's how you check east, west, north, south in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.